Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the 3-point bending test over the concrete reinforced with bar and strip and with ultra high performance concrete cover as a reinforcement. See that this is the cover. If I use this option and this option, it is a better, you can see this is the cover of ultra high performance for the RC beam. You can see that here. This is the result for stress. We can check the ultra high performance concrete, see that, and we can achieve, for instance, plastic strength for that. Let me choose all compressive damage for concrete beam and tensile damage for that. You can see this is the tensile damage, stiffness degradation, and displacement and everything. And we can check here the beam embedded inside the concrete stress for them. This is another reinforcement for the concrete beam. So the force displacement diagram here, till this displacement it achieved this, and it can resistance more against the displacement, and the force capacity will increases to meganewton if we keep the simulation. And if you need this tutorial, the RC beam reinforced with ultra high performance concrete under 3-point bending, you can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorials, or search just one word of that here, and then you can find it here. And then you will have this title, short explanation about the geometry and assembly, material method, steps, interactions, and then the results here. So at the end there are 3 important points. The file contains CAI and PN English video file step by step, and the cost for that is $30 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attending.